And today we have a really fun segment for you guys because today we're going to get into the Telfars, the Telfies, okay? If you know, then you know. So if you're unaware about Telfar or have no idea what I'm even talking about, let me put you on game. So Telfar was created in 2005 based out of New York City by Telfar Collection. And within the last few years, we definitely have been hearing a lot about Telfar. Like everybody wants a Telfar because it's not just for you, it's for everybody. And today we're going to be talking about these Telfars back here on display. We're going to get into the nitty gritty about Telfar. The Bushwick Birkins. If you don't have a Telfar, I feel sorry for you. Try to get one. Let's go ahead, let's start with the first shopper. Telfars are called shoppers. If you guys look on the website, you will see they are listed as small, medium, and large shopper bags. So we have the small shopper up here in black. Why black? Black is universal. Black goes with any and everything. If you have a cute outfit and you don't have a cute purse to match it exactly, a black bag is never gonna steer you wrong. All the small shoppers are $150, and you might be wondering, like, how small is the small shopper? Like, what can I fit in the small shopper? Honestly, sis, not a lot, but enough. So this purse is not only nice, small, and dainty, but it also is a statement on its own. Like, yeah, it's a nice, small black purse. We might all have a black purse already, but this one is a Telfar. That's the difference. This one is a Telfar. Now, if you don't know about Telfars, they are also like dual purpose purses because they also come with straps on the inside. So all of the bags are able to be a double crossbody bag. You can wear it on the side, or you can actually wear it just as a nice cute handbag. But you can get a good amount of stuff in here. So we have a square wallet right here. This will fit in here perfectly. You can put some keys in here, but that's it. Make sure you add that black one to your cart because those are gonna sell out so fast. The party and the after party bag. When you are grabbing this bag, you don't intend on taking anything but some gloss and your dignity, okay? And that might be a little too big for this. You can fit your lip gloss, your lipstick, and your lip liner in this purse. And again, that's probably about it. You don't want to overcrowd the purse. However, a really cool thing that the purse does have is a nice latch on the inside, so that way you can actually seal it up and keep it closed. That way you can twerk the night away and won't have to worry about anything falling out. And lastly, for the small shoppers, we have the red. Again, you guys, this bag is perfect. It will be your go-to bag, especially when you want to run out the house. You don't want to grab anything, but you need to carry something. This is going to be that bag. I'm getting word that the black is almost sold out, so you guys definitely want to go ahead, like I said, add this to your cart and check out. We do have some amazing payment plans going on, so that way you guys don't have to spend all of your coins, but you can look fly at the same time. So we definitely love the red shopper, the mustard shopper. Again, the black shopper is going to be the first to go, I'm telling you now. So let's go ahead, let's get into the medium shoppers because these ones right here are probably the most sought after. These are the ones that are going to be the most practical for daily usage. Again, this is for the party and the after party. After the party is over, you're going to need to go home, or you might not be going home. You might need your overnight bag, and that's where the medium comes in because this is the stuff everything in it and lose it bag. When I tell you guys, I use this bag right here, specifically the CORNBEEF, for traveling, for one, it matches my suitcase, but this is like the perfect bag to put a million things in and still be able to actually see everything. So this bag too comes with the straps, so that way you can, you know, turn it into a crossbody. You can use it as a one strap bag. I personally like to like do a little bit of a twirl right here and put this on top of my suitcase handle. That way I don't even have to hold it. I'm gonna just pull it. I'm gonna look cute going through the airport, and y'all gonna see this Telfie. You can put your toiletry bag in here, okay, your plane ticket, but let's say you need to bring your camera. Okay, let's stuff it in there. You need your cell phone, let's stuff it in there. You need your water bottle, stuff it in there. You need your laptop, let's go ahead and just stuff it in there. Can't forget your external drive, stuff it in there. Oh, I have a dog. Look, let's take a bone, let's stuff it in there. Look at this bag, y'all. The bag is still intact, and it also stretches so that way you can literally keep going. You can keep stuffing this bag with more stuff. Again, if it gets too heavy, bam, girl, you got the straps. You got the straps. You don't even have to carry it. You don't even have to carry it. This bag is going to be your best friend. Like, you're literally going to gravitate towards this bag. Anytime you have to take more than 2 items, I promise you, this bag is going to be that one. These bags are fashion staples. These are iconic bags. If you don't have one, you better call that number right now and make sure you place your order, because I'm getting word that the yellow is sold out. The yellow is completely sold out. The black is sold out as well, okay? So you guys definitely do not want to miss. These bags go like hotcakes, okay? You guys do not want to miss out on these. So this one here is the lavender bag. This is probably my most complimented bag out of all of these, simply because it's just a unique color. Like, you don't really find too many colorful pops of colors or even deep colors in bags. I don't know why. Why wouldn't anybody make a bag like that? Well, Telfar has got you covered. The medium-sized shopper does retail for $202, which I find to be pretty reasonable for a bag of this size, because again, you guys just saw how much we stuffed in this bag, right? This will be one of those bags that can be for a mom, could be for your grandma, could be for your little cousin. Like, this bag has no age range. It goes for everybody. And it's a unisex bag, so you can slay in every way, okay? I think this bag is one of the prettiest ones. That color, that lavender, it's just such a pop, yet very subtle in a way at the same time. So before we get into the final bag, I want to just go over the colors that we have, so that way you guys can make sure you guys put this on your list, you guys write it down. You might get lucky, but there's also the bag security program. So if you aren't able to get these bags when they first release, you can still get these bags. You just might have to wait a little bit. So we have the black, the mustard, and the red in the small shoppers. Again, these ones retail for $150. We have the corned beef and the lavender medium shopper that retail for $202. So I'm getting word that we are selling out fast, okay? We actually have almost completely sold out of the corned beef. I'm surprised, y'all. Y'all better get on these, okay? You guys better get on these. It's not a chicken salad, but you better get one of these, okay? But last but not least, I want to share with you guys one of the best bags, in my opinion, that I've seen from Telfar thus far, which is the UGG and Telfar collaboration. So Telfar does collaborations with a lot of great brands. Everybody wants a Telfar. Everybody wants to get in on the Telfar hype. But when I tell you guys, this UGG and Telfar killed the game for me. Like, this was it. This was absolutely the one that I needed. I had to have it. And after going back and forth with FedEx for about 3 days, y'all, I finally got it delivered. Like, this is fresh off the press, out the box. And one of the amazing things about this bag in comparison to the other bags is that this is the quality of Uggs. Like, it ain't no joke. So this is that UGG material here on the actual bag. They not only came out with it in this style, but they also have a all black version, and then they have a complete Sherpa bag, okay? But when I tell you guys, the quality of this is like on 10. This one here retails for $290, but when you feel this bag, you can tell why it costs just a little bit more than the other medium sizes. So when you look inside of this bag, it has that beautiful twill lining that all of the other bags have, but this one particularly has that UGG and Telfar emblem on the inside as well. It comes with the dual strap, so that way you can also wear this as a crossbody or just, you know, one-sided. But this bag also comes with the UGG and Telfar dust bag. Now, the other bags also do come with a dust bag. It will look like this. So not only is the bag super nice in regards to it being really big in size and allows you to fit so many things inside, this one right here will match your Uggs. It'll match your Uggs. And I love Uggs. I love my Uggs. I love Telfar, obviously, as you guys can see. And so this bag right here was absolutely one that I had to get. I had to get this. This UGG bag does also come in the small shopper, and I don't have any to show you guys today, but there's actually an even bigger size than the medium here, which is the large. If you guys haven't, you guys definitely need to go on Instagram and follow Telfar and keep up with their releases, because when I tell you guys, they're always stepping out of the box when it comes to these bags. I've never seen a company that has such a wide range of colors, sizes, and then collaborations. Telfar Clemens, you have done it. You have absolutely set the bar. So inclusive. It allows everybody to obtain a bag. At the same time, there's also the bag security program. So if you can't get a bag on the release date, you can sign up and then you will be able to choose which bag you would like. I don't believe that will include the UGG bag, but definitely go ahead and take a look for yourself. We sold out of the black, we sold out of the corned beef. Sounds like the red is still in stock, so you can still get the red. The UGG is apparently down to the last 50 bags. Again, you guys, we have some amazing payment arrangements available for you guys because, again, this is for everybody. So if you can't afford one right now, we'll make sure that you will get your bag. So really take a look at the details on the side of the screen. They are going to let you know what bags are available, what sizes we have available, as well as the arrangements that you can make to purchase these bags today, you guys. This is going to be a bag that's going to give you, a boost of confidence. You're going to feel very fashionable wearing these bags. I love when people see my Telfars and say, oh my gosh, is that a Telfar? And I'm like, yes, girl, it is. As once they do go, unless you sign up for that bag security program, you're gonna have to wait for the next re-release. And with so many different colors and different styles coming out, you can't guarantee when the next release will be. So again, you guys, check the details on the side of the screen. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel if you have not, because we do have some amazing content coming. If you guys liked this video in particular, please give it a big thumbs up so that way I know that you guys like this style of videos, because I thought this was pretty fun. I thought this was very fun, actually. So please, please, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do post on Tuesdays and Fridays, y'all, but if you guys can't remember that, if you're busy, that's fine. Just hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time a video goes up. And thank you guys again for spending some time with us for this Telfar segment. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my collection. If you guys have a favorite, let me know down in the comment section. If you have some Telfars and maybe I need to go ahead and add them to the collection, again, leave that down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you and hear if you're part of the Telfie gang, okay? Because Telfie gang is strong out here. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.